Welcome back, and today I'll show you how to disable the PIN during login on your Xbox Series X. So if you've created a PIN on your Xbox Series X or Xbox One, you'll notice that whenever you log in into your Xbox, you'll be prompted to type in the PIN. So you can disable this PIN from the settings. So all you have to do is power on your console and access this homepage. And then from the menu that appears on top of the screen, select the settings icon to reveal all the settings. And then scroll down and select account and choose sign in, security and PIN. So you'll be prompted to type in your PIN. So type in your PIN. And then from here, select change my sign in and security preferences. And then scroll down and choose custom. And then from this page, find the option ask for my PIN at sign in. And then you'll see a brief description. When you turn this setting on, we'll ask you for your personal PIN when your profile is chosen from the sign-in list. So if you want to disable it, simply select it, and then select PIN not required. So if you select this, whenever you turn on your console and signing in with your profile, you no longer require a PIN. So that's basically it on how to adjust this feature on your Xbox Series X or Xbox One. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.